Culinary Museum. I'm Chef Mohamed Abdell, and today we are making crab and scallop saffron arancini. Crispy rice bowl with seafood surprise and hint of saffron. The first thing first, let's start cook the arancini base.
Olive oil.
Second step, black garlic.
Garlic in. Scallop in.
Stir. Crab meat.
Risotto in. A little bit olive oil.
Saffron in.
Vegetable stock. We put the base to the tray.
And now in this step, we will season and shape the arancini.
Italian here.
Tarragon.
Lemon myrtle.
Lemon zest. Green cheese.
Shredded mozzarella.
Mix up all the ingredients.
So we do the arancini ball now.
Brioche bread crumb. And now the time for plating up.
So first we put the saffron aioli.
Now we shape it.
Then arancini in.
Now saffron aioli on top.
Then the salmon caviar here.
And then just a piece of crab. So now we explain the dish. We have here the sauce in the bottom is the saffron aioli, and then we have scallop and crab arancini. On top aioli, salmon raw, and then finish it with a piece of crab. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, just leave a comment below.